Good evening, everyone. So today we decided to have something for dinner for a little bit of a change from. So I came up with the idea that I'm gonna make like a fryer for dinner. So we need to get your uniform made this weekend.
I got a uniform.
Oh, you haven't?
Yes.
What's your uniform?
It's just black clothes. I already got them.
Shoulder bacon and beef sausages, breakfast sausages. What else? Baked beans. And some eggs. Look at your face. You got food on your face. What's that? What's that? Are you gonna eat it? Do you want some sausages? Huh?
Fish?
It's not fish. It's sausages. How many bacon? I'll just fit as much as I can. Yeah.
Ow!
They're quite big, eh?
Ow!
Sausages. Just wait for the oil to heat up a little bit more. Put it there. It looks like the sausages are cooked. Good job, Dasha. So what are you going to do now? You're going to do the mushrooms.
Yeah.
And Dasha just finished adding the butter and a little pot. You can put your mushrooms in now and just stir it around.
Yep.
So there you shot one at the back there. Can you put it back in?
Which one?
And just use a spoon and mix it around. Yeah, use that big one. Mix it right down to the bottom. And make sure the butter goes on all the mushrooms.
Okay.
So the eggs are cooked.
Yeah.
The mushrooms are ready now. Let's take it off the heat. Now this one.
Okay, so we have the eggs, sausage, and bacon.
Look at that. Yummy!
Yummy. Now we just have to do the toast.
So guys, we're having our dinner now. There's Tota's plate there. There's Dasha's plate.
I'm eating it.
Daniela's plate. And John's plate. You're missing the mushroom, son. Well, you're not eating mushroom.
Oh, thank you for the food. Bless the person that made this food. In his name I pray, amen.
Amen.
Damn, son. Damn, son.
I think that's a 40. Yep.
Do you see me? There. Ah, let's go read up. This is Steve. This is steady. Look at me.
Straight team. Is that because Daddy was cooking it? Mmm.
The sausage is nice there.
We're gonna probably go for a walk after this. Take the kids out.
I like going and playing outside.
Should go to Mary's Rugby Club, eh? Just down the road. Look at that. Mmm.
He has not cooked. I have to put it down.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, we are the Polytube family. We are a Samoan family living in New Zealand, Hamilton, and we mainly post videos about food and our family activities.
I ordered the cake for John.
Yeah, so John's birthday is coming up. That's in 2 weeks. So we're gonna go and order the birthday cake, and we're getting it from Pack and Save because it's cheap, and they do make some really nice chocolate cakes. So we've already been about 2 weeks ago, and they said to come back 2 weeks prior the birthday. So that's what we're gonna do now. It's your birthday coming up, eh, John? Yeah. How old are you how old are you now? 4. Yeah, it's your 5th birthday coming up.
So,
That's exciting.
yeah.
You excited? And you, Neil, are you excited?
Yeah. Oh my god. Why's my body sleeping like that?
Mm.
You know what? I'm not sleepy. I don't want to go to sleep ever again.
Yeah, true. It is daytime. You sleep at nighttime, eh?
Yeah.
Unless if you are.
Yeah, why you go to school, eh?
Aye.
Hello everyone.
So we're just here at the university playground. Oh, I don't know. You can go through here.
Daniela.
Ah, John fits in there.
Daniela. We're going to kick.
Sorry, son, we can't fit in there. We have to go around.
Yeah. But I can fit it there.
All right, do some passes.
Over here.
Yeah,
No, wait. Hey.
do a bit of training.
I want to do kicks.
Huh?
I want to do
Yeah, let's go where the post is.
Oh, the post is there.
Yeah.
Post is there. Post is
What
there.
happened to you, John? Where's your ball?
Oh, my ball pop. I told you my ball pop. I told you I want my new one. Is that good? But mine will pop. Sorry. I cannot have it. Oh, that's do this.
Alright, check it, Dasha. Flat A. We need to get a. So we're gonna. Who wants to race? Come here on this side. This is Waikato Uni, guys. Okay, get set, ready, go! Go, John! That's a line!
Oh, they're gonna play passes.
Catch it. Okay.
Look, get the ball, get the ball.
I can't. It's too easy. I can pull it that way.
Versus you.
Hey, can we? I shoot this gun.
Shane.
Okay, John, you're in Dasha's team. You've got to kick the ball to you. Yeah, catch. Can't go fast that way,
Can I try that?
After.
Run, that she's going. Why do you look like that? Dad has a try.
You too. Where's the other ball?
The number ball is behind you. There, Dad.
Okay, you gotta put it down. Yeah, that's it. Alright. It's your kick to Daniela.
Yeah.
Go, Nella, go. She's coming. You're supposed to turn around and chase her when she goes through.
Can you be my team?
Yeah.
I'm gonna play catch and
John will hold the camera and then you two against me.
I'm going for the goal. Look at that. Victory Royale. Well, it's actually a loose ball, but there you go.
Okay, no. It's me against you.
And Dasha. Out. Daniela, pass the ball. Pass the ball. Daniela, pass the ball. Lock on.
Yeah, my ball.
Let's see who's bossing.
Alright, so Shane and the kids are back. I just had to stay in the car because Leo's are gone. So we are going. Where are we going?
To countdown.
We've got to count down these closer.
To buy
Yeah.
some.
Get some cauliflower and some broccoli for snack.
Okay.
Some carrots.
Broccoli and cauliflower.
Yeah.
I don't like it. It kind of like have stones.
They don't.
Yes, it did. I taste them as a white.
That building, that Kmart building, is going to be the distribution center based here in Hamilton, which is nice. I mean, I don't know how that's going to benefit us, but oh well.
Only one more banana left.
Yeah.
Guys, we're at a countdown now, looking for some snacks for the kids. Put this in.
Because that's my wings.
Yeah, we'll put that in thing. Are these the ones? Daniela there.
It's 12 pack.
Hey, Dad.
pack.
You want to go in that trolley?
Chips. So this is chips. This is the juice side. Getting Pepsi. It's $1.75.
It's half price. Just get one.
Oh no. Mia.
Hey, John. And probably get the Mountain Dew is the same.
Wow.
With the Pepsi, it smells like this.
So they actually gone cheap, hey?
Hey, they have this cheap.
Is that orange? Which one do you normally drink?
That's
I mean, like, which one flavor do you normally drink?
you like this one or that one? No, haven't we tried this one? No, it's okay. Let's see. Because we haven't tried it.
That's alright, put it in the trolley. How much is it? Put it in. Look, it's a matter. What else do we need to get?
Treat for us.
That is the treat. People dip in the chips. Okay. Yeah, Daniela, put this in. So can you remember what else we were looking for?
Big drinks? No drinks, no drinks. No drinks.
So let me think. John, get away from there.
I like to sit down and wait for these guys to come
All
here.
right, let's go back that way.
Let's go back that way. Because we are on the fence.
Hang on, Daniela. What's...
Come here. The phone died while we were out, so that was unfortunate, and we missed out on a few things that we were doing. So, because it's Saturday night and it's about the only time we actually sort of, I don't know, relax a little bit and do some other stuff. So yeah, we're gonna do some cleaning and then watch a movie. So there's a couple of movies that we want to watch tonight, and I can't wait. I look forward to that. Oh, well, that's it from us for now. Tomorrow is Father's Day. We do have a video planned for Father's Day, but we're not going to upload it till Monday. So stay tuned for that one. If you haven't subscribed oh gosh, sorry, I'm moving a lot. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button if you find our videos interesting. Anyway, you guys have a lovely weekend. Lots of love from all of us to you. Thank you guys so much for supporting us always, and we will see you in our next one. Happy Father's Day to all of you guys. If you're watching this and you're a father figure or whatever, happy Father's Day. Lots of love from our family to you and yours.
Happy Father's Day to all the dads watching.
Yeah.
Hope you guys have a good one.
Yeah. Breakfast in bed.
Yeah. Breakfast in bed or
wishful thinking.
Yeah.
No jokes. All right, you guys deserve the best. Because you guys are amazing. I know that your whānau, your family appreciate you guys. Appreciate you so much. All right, have a good one, and we'll see you guys in our next one. Bye.